Showing potential clients what you look like is important because they want to know who they're working with. It adds a face to the person that they're having a conversation with remotely. So what we want to do is jump straight onto Upwork.com. You are going to go into your profile. On the right-hand side, you're going to click on your name and you'll end up right over here. So this is what we're going to do. Basically, wherever you see the little green pen pencil icon, that is actually the edit button. So right here on the top left, we are going to click on that edit button. Now, there are some parameters here. It has to be a minimum of 250 by 250 pixels, and then it cannot exceed the size limit of 5 megabytes. Now, 5 megabytes for a picture, for an image, it's massive. So you've got more than enough space. What you want to do here is just click on this circle area and upload a photo. I've uploaded this photo now from my computer, and you can see that there's a little zoom effect at the bottom. You can also move it about, and then you can rotate it. So if you're rotating it, you can actually have it completely weird, but we don't want that. The zoom, you also, you want to make sure that you've kind of got your shoulders in, and you can see the top of your head. Anything more is too much because the profile picture is really, really small. So you want to be visible in that profile picture, but also you don't want it all squashed up in your face because that might just look too much. So what you want to do is just find a good balance, and then you want to also click on it. You can move it around. Okay, so once you've done your zoom thing, you can also enter the value in there like that. Basically, once you have got your profile picture up and running and you are good to go, you can go and hit save photo. Now, the important thing about a profile picture on Upwork is that, first of all, it must be an actual photo of yourself. You cannot put anything else up there. It's not a Facebook profile, so you are not going to be able to put your favorite Marvel character or anything else like that, even your cat. So make sure that it is a picture of yourself and make sure that it is as professional as possible. One of the other tips that I can give you is hiring somebody to take a professional profile picture can be done, but I suggest that you just find a smartphone. If you don't have a smartphone yourself, take a picture of yourself. Stand your phone up somewhere and enable the timer. Take a picture of yourself. You can even stand and hold the phone and take a picture of yourself. And that is going to be enough to make a professional looking photograph. Make sure that you smile, obviously not too much. This is not a fantastic example, but my original profile picture actually is a great example because I'm smiling, and that is just enough. You can just see my shoulders and my face, and that's all you need. I hope this was helpful. If you want to learn more about Upwork, you can go ahead and click on this video over here, and I'll meet you over there to take you through the details. Peace.